Okay, so third brake light is not working. Time to replace it. Let's get to it. Alright, let's see. Let's take a look over here on this third brake light. My 2005. I think it's burnt out, but we'll see. This is how you pretty much. It'll be hard for me to record and work at the same time, but I'll try to show as much as possible. So pretty much grab it from the bottom and yank it out, put it your way, and then you're gonna remove this harness that's over here that's holding up the bulb. Okay, so there's the harness, and the bulb is right here. It's also here. So let me go ahead and try to pull on the harness. But it's hard for me to only use one hand. So let me go ahead and disconnect that. And the harness is out. And let's take a look at the bulb. So there's the bulb. Let's twist it. Let's try to twist it to counterclockwise. Oh, there it is. It's counterclockwise. And pull it out. Oh, Lord. It's all burned out. So, and the bulb should come out easily. And I don't think I can even see the number of the bulb. So it looks like I'm gonna have to get in the zone and go buy me a bulb for my 2005 Toyota Camry. But first, let me check what I have. Alright people, here are all my goodies. Maybe I'm lucky enough to find a bulb for it. Let me place it right here. What does this little box contain? These are too small. That one's too small. How about this box? Nothing but bolts. Oh, that's right, that's right. How about here? Nope, that's not it. That's not it. That's not it. I'm afraid I'm gonna have to go to the store. Alright, let's see what's over here. Oh, this is pretty heavy. These are all my goodies. Bolts, connectors, what connectors? Nope, doesn't look like it. And nope, nope. Alright, I guess it's time to hit the road. Alright, let's go try, guys. Alright people, I'm back from outer zone. Here is the light bulb. That's the part number. And it's getting dark, it's getting dark. Let's finish this job. There's the part number. And this one, they're the smallest, tiniest light bulbs for this car. And it's for the shifter light. And I will be replacing that on another video because that's a little pain in the butt. So stay tuned. But for now, let's finish this job. Alright, so here's the part where the light bulb goes. Hopefully you guys can see that. Let me try. Recording with my left and installing a light bulb with my right. It just goes in like so, and then we get the other piece, this big piece. So remember last time we went counterclockwise to take it out, so this time we're gonna go, you see those grooves, try to match them, and once the whole piece is in there, you will be twisting clockwise. Alright, come on, let's do this. There you go, see that? And clockwise, counterclockwise to take out, and clockwise to install it, to put it back in. All right, and this piece, we need to remember to hook up that harness to the light bulb. All right, let me go ahead and do it. Okay, the piece is in. The harness is connected to the light bulb, so now it's time to put this big piece back inside. And this kind of just snaps in. There you go. That's it. And that should do it. And now let's see if we have the third brake light on. And since I don't have somebody else to press on the brake pedal for me, I just decided to use this this piece right here off from a jack, and I just rolled the seat forward so they can press the brake pedal down for me. And that's it. And for the looks of it, the third light is on.